Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. I am going to be doing a clean with me video this morning. Now I just wanted to explain before I show you this mess. I've had a really busy last couple of days. I've been dealing with some stuff that's been going on at work, so I've been a little bit stressed. So I have been coming home, kind of just eating dinner, spending some time with my family, and then going straight to bed. Austin has this thing where he likes to cover himself in clothing. 9 times out of 10 I've just folded this clothing. And like most mums, I don't know if it's like a common thing, but most people that I know that have kids, my mum included, they always fold clothes whilst they're watching TV and they leave the clothes on the couch for like, you know, the next morning when they can put it away kind of thing. I haven't been putting it away straight away, obviously, because in the morning I get up, I get ready for work, and then this happens. He pulls it apart, he covers himself with it, and that's the funnest game ever apparently at the moment. So I'm going to show you what the room looks like, and then I'm going to fast forward all the cleaning that I do. This is definitely like a weekly clean that I do. Nothing changes, everything goes in the same spot. So I'm just going to quickly fast forward through that if you guys want to watch it, and then afterwards I will show you a clean room and it'll probably last maybe half a day until Austin decides he wants to pull everything out again. So this is what we have here. Now this is rubbish that needs to go out. I've just placed it there. These are the toys that he's decided he's wanted to pull out. His nappy bag, they were folded. I folded them maybe twice and then I gave up, and I'm just gonna do it when he's asleep and I'll put them straight away. He likes throwing pillows at the moment. That's great. Guilty, had Hungry Jacks for dinner last night, way too tired. He also likes playing with containers, so we keep a lot of like old ice cream containers, Tupperware containers. He really likes playing with things and putting pens in things, and he loves playing with Pickles' dog bowl. He loves playing with the broom. He just had breakfast, so that's why the high chair's there. Again, folded these, absolutely destroyed. He also likes playing in Pickles' cage, so that was a neat blanket with a bowl of water. But he decided that he needed to tip the bowl of water and then try and sweep inside, leaving this mess, which is totally fine. I don't mind him actually playing with stuff like this. It's just when there's water involved, he literally tips it out within a second, and it's just, I can't even catch him. And then this is the cat's corner. That's self-explanatory. I just have to neaten that up a bit. That is where Pickles' toys go. She grabs her own toys when she comes inside for a play. And then these are the toy storage boxes. This is just from IKEA. Declan has a habit of leaving mail up here when he probably shouldn't, but that's okay. I'll put that away. And then this is where the cats like to scratch their claws, and it leaves all of this like cardboard shrapnel everywhere. It's disgusting, but they love it. Recommend it. You can get 3 of them for I think $10 or $15 at Kmart. Hey Seth. Seth, you like it? Yeah. So that is the damage of the room. This is a weekly thing. I cannot wait for him to not enjoy throwing pillows and just leaving an absolute tornado of a house. It is hard working basically full-time. It's really hard. I really struggle with the living room. I do leave every other door closed to prevent this happening in every other room. He does like going into his room, but again, he likes to pull everything apart, and that is just no. So I actually close his room now, and when we are ready to go read a book or have playtime one-on-one, I will go into his room and play in there. And then I also have the kitchen blocked off with the baby gate. He does have a playroom in the kitchen. If we have people over or if we have a barbecue and we're outside, we tend to kind of just let him play in this area. He likes to come in and out repeatedly, so we just leave the door open. And we do have kitchen locks on all of our doors, so he can be trusted in the kitchen. So yeah, I'm going to get cleaning. I actually have an overnight tonight. It's currently, I think, about 9:30 in the morning on a Saturday. I start work at 10:30 p.m. So I'm going to try and just smash out as much as I can. Austin should go down for a nap in maybe an hour or two, and he normally sleeps a few hours. I've put the aircon on so he sleeps longer. He's been waking up with the heat. Here in Brisbane, it's absolutely disgusting. So this is my mission for today. I actually really enjoy cleaning, but when it comes to like having to just rip everything out and like put it away and like mop all of that stuff, like it is such a lengthy process. So I'm gonna try and do it as quick as I can, but the floor definitely needs a mop. Needs a vacuum, and everything just needs to be put away. And I might actually spray the couches with some nice smelly stuff, because Austin has been climbing all over it, like literally all over it, and he likes to have food in his hand at all times. So it's probably due with like a nice little spritz of something pretty. So I will see you soon. Guys, I caught him in the act. This is what he does. Are you relaxing, are you? Oh, so comfy. Lovely. Lovely. Hello. He also found an old dummy under his bed. He like will go in every morning and he will look for his dummy that he knows he threw over the edge. But this one, I don't know where this one's appeared from. It must have been in a room somewhere. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Are you going to help Mummy fold them? Oh, lovely. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye. Austin, bye. Bye. No, you're going to be shy. Okay. Goodbye. Bye. Hey guys, I am back. That took a solid 2.5 hours just doing this room. I do want to mention that I do have 2 cats and a dog that are mainly inside all the time. So it is a little bit harder to keep things clean all the time, because obviously it is summer here in Brisbane, Australia, and my animals are molting. So there is fur everywhere. So I do like to do a thorough clean every week. Now that took 2.5 hours, but in that time I baked brownies and I reorganized the room, like completely just ripped everything apart and did like a new play area for Austin. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. So I'm just going to give you an overview of what I've done. So the pile of clothes here, I just need to pop them away. I just haven't done that yet. I've stacked the blanket and the pillows here purely because I'm about to have a nap. I start work at 10:30, so I need to try and have a nap at some stage. I did spray the couch with some really nice stuff. I showed that before in the footage. I also moved the playmat. I moved it somewhere else. I'll show you guys in a second. I reorganized the cubes. I put all of his toys away. I neatened up Pickle's toys. I also put his bookcase from over. It was in the kitchen where the play area was, so I thought I'd move it here. This is the stuff that I used in the room. I have like 4 different scents. It's so good, this stuff. So that is his bookcase. I might regret actually putting this out, I'm not sure. Then I just neaten up the cat scratch. Now I do have Pickles inside pretty much all the time, especially now that it's hot. She is being crate trained. I don't trust her out of her crate just yet when we're not home because she is still chewing things. She's a puppy. So I always have water in there. I always change her sheets at least once a week because she is molting. And then I just have that as like, I don't know, I want her to feel secure in her crate, so I just put some like darkness into it. And the aircon is on, so I'm kind of, I don't know, paranoid that it might make her a little bit chilly if it's an exposed crate. Cool story, Amy. Then I just neatened up the couch. I have to put that away. That's our spare pillow on our spare blankets for if people stay over. As we don't have a spare bed, they sleep on our couch. Okay, now this is the play area that I did behind the couch. I definitely do not like clutter in my house, so I do like to make things as clutterless as I possibly can. So that is why I've put it behind the couch. This is just a dead space. Like, we do not have any use for this space at all. It's actually the most weirdest shaped room. Like, it's such a weird shaped room. This stuff over here needs to go into the tip, but again, it's really, really hot outside, so I'm just gonna wait until the afternoon to put that out in the tip. Yeah, so that is basically it. That's the room. That's what I've done. Now, I don't have any sort of cleaning routine, so if you guys actually enjoy seeing real life stuff like this, let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this type of content. I basically do this at least once a week, so if you guys are interested in seeing this, I'm more than happy to do like a clean with me video. It could be decluttering rooms or cleaning the bathroom, the toilet, the kitchen, the living room. I don't know, what do you guys want to see? I even have to clean my outdoor area, so I don't know, let me know if you guys want to see that side of my life. I'd be happy to share it. It really doesn't take anything out of me. I just plop the camera somewhere and I clean. But with all of that out of the way, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a great day wherever you are in this world, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.